Hi, welcome to our Aesthetics Plus Clinic, Cosmetic Surgery Clinics channel. We got a question from one of our viewers, Sahana. She was asking what is the difference between cosmetic surgery and plastic surgery, and who are the cosmetic surgeons and whom should we go to when we have a problem related to cosmetic surgery. Cosmetic surgery is basically a subset of plastic surgery. So yes, we are plastic surgeons, and now it is a super specialty, or it is a subdivision of the plastic surgery as a whole, where the plastic surgery principles are still being followed, but we are using it mainly to enhance something which is normal and not for reconstruction. So cosmetic surgery is basically enhancing what you already have or removing the flaws in somebody who is normal to enhance whatever they have. So that is why it is called cosmetic, and so they are basically plastic surgeons and who are doing more of cosmetic work because they are concentrating on the finer nuances which are required to enhance something that is normal. Now, whom do we go to? Yes, all plastic surgeons are trained, we are trained to do procedures from the head to the toe, right from the hair, that is from a hair transplant, to simple toenail excisions, paronychia, or even a nail bed repair of your toes. So we handle anything from the head to the toe, literally. Now, cosmetic surgery, as I said, is a subset of plastic surgery, where we are trying to do and enhance things which are normal, or try to remove flaws in people who are generally fit and are normal individuals. They are not patients, and it is not because of trauma. So what happens is, whom do you go to? Plastic surgeons are the ones who are trained in cosmetic surgery and in plastic surgery, and as I said, we can handle the problems which come with it, and we are able to handle the bones, the tissues, and the soft tissue, and it is not, and the skin, and it is not just one thing that we are talking about. Cosmetic surgery, yes, it is a specialization, and the more you should find out about the person who is doing it. Ask for a plastic surgeon, ask for a board certified plastic surgeon. A board certified plastic surgeon here in India is somebody who has a membership with the Association of Plastic Surgeons of India, which is APSI, and you can go and check for their credentials on www.apsi.org, which is the website of our Plastic Surgery Association. Now, what happens is, yes, you will find a lot of people who claim to be cosmetic surgeons or plastic surgeons, but they are not board certified and they are not plastic surgeons. So the difference will be in the ultimate result, and of course the management of complications. It is not just simple, like for example a liposuction doesn't mean just removing fat from one area and throwing it out. No, there is always a difference of how much fat you remove, what are the areas you're removing it from, and more importantly, how much fat is being left behind. So you don't want those problems to happen. A simple gynecomastia surgery, for example, we have had patients whom we had to deal with because they went to a non-plastic surgeon. They got a deformity which was even worse than what they started out with, because the central part was removed, and now they have a saucer deformity which even looks even more uglier. So please go look for a plastic surgeon, because they have undergone the training, they have undergone the treatment, and they have the understanding of what is to be done and why something is being done, which is the most important thing. And look for a board certified plastic surgeon. Check your surgeon's credentials before you go to him. Ask him about what kind of procedures that they do. Look at their before and after procedures, and also ask them about any doubts that you have. And everybody would have, and ask them about the complications. Everybody who is a plastic surgeon who is practicing will have a certain amount of complications which they have dealt with. If anybody says they have never had a complication, then that is somebody you have to be aware of and you have to be afraid of, because everybody, that means either he has not done enough, or the second thing is they are lying. So yes, complications can happen, and that is why we do all the necessary checks and balances before going through a procedure. We always explain all those complications to you, and that is what you have to look for. You should not be afraid that we are giving you too much information and making you afraid of the procedure. No, it is just that we are trying to help you make an informed decision about what you are going to get done.